To work, travailler. In our previous lessons, you learned how to say I work, je travaille. You work, tu travailles. He works, il travaille. Does he work, travaille-t-il, with the euphonic T. She works, elle travaille. And now we're going to learn, does she work? Does she work? Remember, just reverse the conjugated verb and the subject pronoun, but also with the two vowels together, you have to insert the euphonic T, which doesn't mean anything, but is there for the sake of pronunciation. So does she work? Travaille-t-elle. Instead of travaille-elle, travaille-t-elle, travaille-t-elle, travaille-t-elle. Does she work? Travaille-t-elle. Here, ici, here, ici. Put it all together. Does she work here? Travaille-t-elle ici? Travaille-t-elle ici? Does she work here? Travaille-t-elle ici? Does she work here? Travaille-t-elle ici? Does she work here? Travaille-t-elle ici? Okay, let's review the vocabulary and put it all together. To work, travailler. Does she work? Travaille-t-elle? Here, ici, today, aujourd'hui, tomorrow, demain, a lot, beaucoup, too much, trop. We've used this vocabulary a lot, so hopefully you know it like the back of your hand now. Okay, so let's put the question together with the vocabulary. If you want to ask, does she work? Travaille-t-elle? If you want to ask the question, does she work here? Travaille-t-elle ici? Does she work today? Travaille-t-elle aujourd'hui? Does she work tomorrow? Travaille-t-elle demain? Does she work a lot? Travaille-t-elle beaucoup? And finally, does she work too much? Travaille-t-elle trop? All right. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.